Alright boys, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I messed up.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be painting the voltex side skirts for the Evo. Finally, I got the paint right here and some clear coat. Gotta use my mask, spray gun, and some gloves. But first I'm going to clean the backyard a little, that way there's not too much dust flying around, and then we'll get painting. I'm all done sanding, and now I have the side skirts right here drying. I have the other one over there, and in the meantime I'm gonna cut up this box so that I can paint on top of it because the table's a little wet. And then I'll double check to see if I missed any spots on the skirts. If I did, I'm gonna have to resand the little area, then I'm gonna get it ready for paint. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I am hella nervous right now. I haven't laid down paint in quite a while, so my spraying skills are a little rusty, but I've been practicing with clear, so it should be the same. I think I'm just more nervous that I'm gonna run out of paint and not have enough for both. I'm a little nervous right now. I gotta mix this whole paint. This is the actual paint. And then the reducer, I need to use half of this with all of this. And that's going to be enough, or should be enough, for both of the side skirts. I guess I'm just going to start mixing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour all of the paint in here, and then I'm going to mix half of this. Well, I don't even know how much this is. Now I'm mixing the paint, and let's hope this turns out good. All right, boys, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I messed up. The first side skirt got a little bit of drip right there. There's one more right there, so that's 2, and then this right here. Other than that, everything else came out pretty good. Just freaking drops. So what happened was I filled the gun way too much, and as I was tilting it like this, it dripped. And I completely forgot that this gun does that, because I hardly ever fill it all the way to the top, and that happened. But this one's good. I'm pretty happy with this one. There's something going on here, but I think that's my fault from the sanding. Next is the clear coat. So now I'm just mixing the clear, and I'm gonna do the first side skirt that I messed up on in case the same thing happens or something else happens. It's kind of like I need a practice panel and then do the real stuff, but I ain't no professional. So I'm gonna do the first side skirt, and if everything goes well, I'll jump onto that second one. So I just finished up the painting, and it couldn't have came out even better being outside and me being not a professional. But check this out. Hell yeah. Super clean. Give you guys a close-up. There is a little bit of dust falling because it is getting windy, but as soon as this paint dries within an hour, all that dust can easily be brushed off once it's dry. And the only real downfall that I had was on this side skirt, which I totally messed up on those little drips. But they're not too noticeable. Like I said, doing this outside where it's windy and I have a ton of dirt in my backyard, I'm pretty happy with the results. So let me show you guys this one. Clean. So yeah, there it is, guys. Once the side skirts are dry, I'm gonna be putting them on the Evo, and that thing is gonna look so sick. I've been waiting for these side skirts forever, and it took me a while to paint them because I've had them in my room. I wasn't too sure about painting, so I never really went to the paint store and grabbed the paint to paint them. But after seeing them there every single day and seeing that voltex box, I said I gotta paint these things and put them on. So that's gonna be it. Again, these things are sick. It's gonna make the Evo look so mean. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.